Look, every superpower eventually eats it. That's just how history works. Rome? Gone. The Mongols? Dust. The British Empire? Now they're really good at making tea and complaining about the weather. But China? China's different. China is that friend who keeps getting knocked down at the bar, broken nose, missing teeth, and somehow still gets back up for another round. And we're not talking about one lucky comeback. We're talking about 8 complete civilizational meltdowns, and somehow, China survives every single one. Here's the part that sounds insane. China has fully collapsed at least 8 times in recorded history. Not a rough decade. Not a change in leadership. I mean apocalypse-level collapse. Foreign invasions. Mass starvation. Entire ruling families erased. Population cut in half. When Rome fell in 476 AD, credits rolled. Game over. No sequel. No reboot. But when China fell, someone always picked up the pieces and rebuilt the whole thing again. Pick the fall of the Han.
Up for round 9?